Southlands Estates in Langata constituency, the distraught faces of Sami and Grace Muturi. The couple lost their second and last-born child under unexplained circumstances. Friends and relatives have gathered here to condole with the family. They describe Muthoni Muturi as a creative girl who had pursued hairdressing as well as fashion and design courses. Shortly before her demise, the last-born in a family of two had plans of establishing a business.
Got a call from my daughter. She called her mom. And there was no response from that side. So my mama kept on asking, hello, 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 and there was no response. So definitely the following day we were worried, and mom trying to call her before she went to church. And the phone was Muteja.
The father of the deceased said that her daughter made a distressed call to her mother on Saturday at about 2 a.m. However, the call was not clear and her phone went off shortly after.
Yes. They stay in a servant quarter.
Extension.
An extension rather, because it has got a little sitting, a little kitchen and a bedroom. So the mother is the one who used to cater for the rent.
Since the call, the duo have made unsuccessful attempts to reach their daughter. Her mother even paid a visit to her boyfriend's house in Onyonka Estate, but the doors were locked. Thomas Mbogo Modhe, the said boyfriend, could not be found either.
Then the DCI told us, fortunately, we are making headways because this guy called the mother. Mother is in the US. And he said what he has done. He said he beat the girlfriend, and he thinks she's gone. So the mother called that boy's auntie here.
The couple say they were informed of their daughter's death yesterday when they got to the scene.
It is wrong for these young people. If you are in a relationship with somebody and this is not working, please, please, don't fight them. Don't kill somebody. Just part ways peacefully, and that's the only way. You can't force somebody to love you.
When reached for a comment, Langata OCPD Wanjiru Kimani said she was aware of the incident and would get back with more details. She is yet to respond. The body has been moved to Montezuma Mona Lisa Funeral Home, awaiting post-mortem tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Winfrey Owino, KTN News.